In today's video, I'm going to do a little get ready with me, and I'm going to answer some questions. So I posted on Facebook and Instagram and asked you guys to ask me a question. Unfortunately, I'm not going to answer everyone's question. I am going to answer quite a few though, and I jotted them down. Let's go. Also, my chair keeps shrinking, so if I randomly start to get short on you, I'll bounce back up eventually. Just wait. Oh. So first, I'm going to moisturize using the Fab Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This has been my favorite lately because I have extremely dry skin on my nose. I already kind of moisturized my whole face, so I'm just gonna give my nose a little extra attention. First question, how have you been? Please say you're still doing music. I am still doing music. I actually just recorded a new song. I'm working on my album currently. Hopefully I should have that out maybe at the end of the year. My song will come out sooner though, so stay tuned. Today I'm going to use the Orangey Glad and the Blue Moon palettes from ColourPop. We're not supposed to be going out right now because of COVID-19. So I'm just going to go crazy with my makeup and do whatever I want because no one's going to see me. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. And I'm just going to make myself look crazy for a minute. So I think I'm going to do the Blue Moon palette on my right eye and go in with Fine China, this one right here. What are y'all doing while you're locked up? I'm starting to run out of ideas. I get really bored of doing the same thing over and over. I was never much of a going out kind of person anyways. That part isn't really getting to me very much besides the shopping aspect because I love to go to TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx is my homie and I should honestly just live there. I think I'm gonna use this one right here. That is Mimosa Mami. I think I might mix it with Sunkissed actually, which is this little ditty right there. Yes. I'm kind of feeling like the fire and ice thing today. I don't know why. I have been wanting to do this for a while. I'm just going to clean up a little bit of the fallout. So let's go ahead and ask the next question. What is the best way to start the day? My personal favorite. Okay, so this is going to get a little gushy for a second. I love when my boyfriend comes over and hangs out with me and stays over because I am a cuddler. He always has to get up early for work. So every morning whenever he leaves, he's like tucking me in and then he'll like give me a kiss and tell me he loves me and to have a good day. And that always just makes me so happy. Unfortunately, that doesn't get to happen all the time though. So other best way to start the day, I would say waking up early makes such a huge difference. I'm not an early person. I hate it, but I feel a lot better whenever I do it. I like to get up early, go to work out. I feel like I can conquer the world and I have so much time to do whatever I want instead of staying up super late and then sleeping in like I do most of the time. I hate this chair. Now I feel like I'm too tall. I'm just going to go in with the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. This is going to be slightly too light too, but it's okay because we can bronze. I don't know why they bark at everything. Wow, my face was really red. I got foundation on my eyeshadow. I literally know that my chair keeps shrinking because I keep having to flip my mirror down so that I can see myself. If anyone knows how to fix that, that would be great. So I just had my birthday. I remember growing up, I hated that my brother's birthday was the day after mine because we always had to celebrate together. But now it makes me really happy because I have someone to celebrate with. Okay, now that we look like a pale ghost, let's go ahead and ask another question. Okay, so this one isn't a question, but someone did say, ciao, they put their little flag. Keep loving yourself. And I put that in there because I am going to keep loving myself, because self-love is important and all of you need to know that. I know it's easier said than done, but if you just learn to not care what other people think, life is going to be so much easier and you will be so much happier. I'm probably the worst person to give that advice because I suck at it. I'm so short. Oh, why is it doing that? It keeps taking the foundation off of my nose. It did it to my chin too. What is happening? Okay, I don't know what's going on with that, but for some reason, whenever I apply concealer over this foundation, it's coming off. Maybe it's just the kind that I used. I can't remember if I've ever paired that concealer with that foundation before. Well, that's really irritating, and I don't appreciate that. That's rude. I'm gonna go in with the Fit Me loose powder. I'm just gonna set my face really quick. And apparently apply way too much to my forehead, because that's how today is gonna go. I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm going to use this little corner. Ghosty, 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 ghost. Alrighty, next question. How much do you love your best friend in the whole world, Alex? More than you know. I'm a horrible friend. I'm so antisocial. I really just stay to myself, and I'm sorry that I never talk to you. I never talk to a lot of people, but I do love you. I promise. And I think I'm gonna contour. I've been getting some gnarly headaches lately because the weather keeps changing, and now we have all this pollen. My body hates me because of it. I have very bad allergies, and I didn't used to have them growing up, but whenever I moved to Tyler, I developed them. I have glitter in my hair. Hello? Wow. Bronzy. Pale. Trying to break my sister's earring. She would kill me. I'm going to take a little fluffy brush and I'm just going to contour my nose really quick. My nose is being weird and it's taking product weird. I don't understand what's happening. Do y'all see that? Well, first of all, I went a little ham on this side over here. I'm just gonna blush my nose so you can't see it. I know I have problems with my nose and with it being dry, but I never have a problem with the foundation coming off. I guess I should ask another question. Why are you the most amazing human ever? I'm not. You are. I know you know who you are. You are the most amazing human ever, and I love you so much. Like, seriously. Try to cover where it happened to my nose. And I'll tone that down in a second too. But normally, blush fades on me pretty easy. So we'll kind of let it sit for a second and see what happens. We're looking like a clown. Next question. If you could go back in time, what year would you travel to? I told myself that I was going to think more about this question before I started, but then I forgot. That's such a hard question. I don't like to backtrack, so I don't know if I would ever go back if I could. There's not a particular time that I can think of that I would just want to really go back to, besides being young and being able to take naps and not have to pay bills. That's a good question though. Probably more suited for other people who actually know the answer. Let's finish up this face because I'm tired of looking like this. I think I'm going to use this pomade from e.l.f. But we're going to have to get real up close and personal for this one. Hey baby. Why you whining, love? We'll play in a minute. Mommy's just doing her makeup. Whew, this is taking me forever to do my brows because I never use pomades anymore. I'm more of a powder kind of gal. And I used to swear off pencils, but lately I've been using a pencil a lot too. Oh, why did I do that? I have this little pencil from Anastasia. I got it whenever I started working there. I've only used it once, but I really like it. It's for like highlighting underneath the brows. You have a matte side and a shimmer. I'm gonna line underneath and then kind of blend it out with my finger. I think that really cleans up the under eye, especially over here where I messed up. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the clear brow gel from Anastasia, and I'm just gonna set those in place. Okay, let's go ahead and answer another question real quick. I had one person tell me to check out their music. I'll check out yours if you check out mine. Look up Raven Hunter music on everything. I really want this to be blown out. Big old round circle around my eye. That's what I wanted. Olaf, are you watching me? I don't even think I finished the top over here. What am I even doing? From the Blue Moon palette, I'm going to use the highlight shade. I'm going to take it on this really tiny detail brush. I'm just going to highlight underneath the brow bone, and I'm going to do the inner corner of the eye. Look at it. Ooh, girl. Same shade. I'm actually going to take the Aura palette from Anastasia, and I'm going to go in with Lyra. I think a little bit of Eclipse too. And hit this side. For my nose, I'm going to use Ice Cold from Jeffree Star. I need to go ahead and do my lashes. But before I do that, we have another question. Hey, how are you doing? I feel like I answered a similar one earlier, but they mostly asked about music. So I'm doing okay. Life is stressful. Life is stressful. I feel like that's all I should say about that. I'm not gonna get too in depth with it, but life is stressful and I'm doing my best. Things will get better. Okay, I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. I just stabbed my right eye twice because I'm an idiot. Ugh. What is happening? I just got mascara on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lipstick. Celebrity Skin, you already know. Don't yell at me. You're not my real dad. This one is just a Wonder Woman one. My friend gave it to me. It's called Athena's Kiss. I have one more question. I saved my favorite for last because I thought it was hilarious. Who would win in a fight? Peppa Pig or Dora the Explorer? So I think Peppa Pig is a low-key savage. So I'm gonna say that Peppa Pig would win. I've seen her videos on YouTube. I didn't never watch that growing up or anything, but I've seen some memes. I've seen some videos on Facebook. I know, I see you. So now we're just gonna set everything in place using the Seal the Deal Hydrating Spray from Flower Beauty. And then I'm gonna press everything down lightly. So this is our finished look. Alrighty guys, so that was it for today's video. Thank you for getting ready with me and listening to me answer some questions. So enjoy your quarantine and have a good day.